Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to construct a 4-bit arithmetic logic unit. So first of all, I'm going to read the question. The basic conditions are that we have to design a 4-bit arithmetic logic unit ALU. So system should take input from keypad. So we have to take both inputs from keypad. And then system should take the desired operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we have to apply 3 operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, with the help of ICs. So we can use built-in ICs from our libraries, and then we have to display all the outputs and inputs with the help of our 7-segment display. So now we are going to move towards our Proteus circuit. So here, this is our basic Proteus circuit. Now you can see here I uses muxes. So here I uses 4 8x1 muxes, which give us correct input from keypad. So without these muxes, our input did not give us our correct input. So without these muxes, if I am applying 2, then it will display us 8 on input, and if I am applying 1, then it will display us 9 on output. Then if I am applying 3 on input, then it will display us 7 on our BCD segment. So for correction of our keypad, here we use 4 8x1 muxes with the help of BCD. So now we connected these 4 8x1 muxes with the help of rudimentary method. So now you can see this is our rudimentary methods. So we get these 4 outputs by the help of rudimentary method and by comparing outputs with the inputs. So first of all, I compare W with any of the one input, and X with one input, Y with one input, Z with one input, one by one. So here I compare all the outputs with our C. So by comparing all of our inputs, I get these Boolean expressions. With the help of these Boolean expressions, I can implement our Proteus circuit easily with the help of 4 8x1 muxes. So now we are moving towards our Proteus circuit. So by creating all of our muxes with the help of rudimentary method, here we use 2 D latches. Now why we use here 2 D latches? Because if I am applying one input, then with the help of one D latch, this input will store on it, and then I can apply second input. So I am showing you, and this is our binary adder IC, and this is our multiplication IC. So if I am applying 1 on it, and it will becomes subtractor, and if I am applying 0 on it, then it will become adder. So I'm gonna run our circuit. Now you can see if I'm applying 2 on input, and then by giving cycle to our D latch, then 2 will display on our first input. And if I'm applying again 0 and giving it 0 cycle, then our input is stored here. Now I can apply second input to get those 3 operations: adder, subtractor, and multiplication. So if I'm applying another input 3, and then give cycle to another D latch, then 3 will display on second input. Now you can see when these 2 inputs are applied, then I will get 5 on binary adder output and 6 on multiplication output. These segments will display as multiplier operation and adder operation with the help of adder IC and with the help of multiplication IC. So for subtraction, we have to put it on 0, and the adder IC will convert into subtractor, and the answer will get by the subtraction of our 2 inputs. Now I'm going to run our circuit. So now you can see if I'm applying 2 on input, and then give us a cycle of first D latch, then 2 is stored on first input. And if I'm applying again 2 to second input, and then give a cycle to second D latch, then 2 will display on second input. And now you can see here I put it on 1, and it converts into subtractor IC, and the answer will display after subtraction of two inputs. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. The multiplication is got by multiplying two inputs. 2 cross 2 is equal to 4. So this is our basic circuit. Here we use 4 8 cross 1 muxes for the correction of our keypad and 2 D latches for storing our input, both inputs one by one, and then with the help of two ICs, adder and multiplication, and then with the help of enabler we convert into a subtractor IC, and by the help of these three conditions, adder, subtractor and multiplication ICs, we will get our four operations, which are addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here I use 4 XOR gates whose output is connected to our adder ICs, and then it will displays as an input to our ICs, and then this our subtraction or addition operation will perform easily. So this is our basic Proteus circuit, which I constructed with the help of 4 8 cross 1 muxes, 2 D latches and the 3 operational built-in ICs, which I got it from our library, and these 4 segment displays, which will displays our input and the output after addition, subtraction and multiplication. So that's all from my side. Jazakallah.